Hello everyone, welcome back to Neffy Cat. Thank you so much for being here with us today. We're really glad that we can have you. Today I want to talk about something simple and yet really important that exists in the stock market. We have a strong wind going and right now in the real world here, and it is affecting these stocks just like catalysts do in the real world market. All right, so what I wanted to talk about though is a simple concept. It's called the market cap of a stock. The market cap of a stock, and also how to calculate the market cap of a stock. One moment while I hold things up. Yes, he's been very interested in everything going on around here. Yes. Neffy Cat, can you help everybody learn what the market cap of a stock is? Do you know that it gives us the relative size of the company? This is a good symbol of a stock as it is descending and ascending. And the market cap is kind of shows us the size of the company. We can get a taste for the size of the company that we are checking out or buying into or considering buying into. It's actually very important. It's divided into three categories. There's small cap, mid cap, and large cap. So a small cap is anything that's under 3 billion, and then mid cap is anything that is between 3 and 10 billion, and a large cap is anything that's over $10 billion. So that's actually really important for you to know. The larger that the market cap is, usually the more stable the company is considered to be. A lot of times they've been in business longer. They usually have a really solid working model, business model. Otherwise, their company would not have survived that long, and they wouldn't have been able to enter as or to exist as a large cap stock. All right. It shows the solidness of the company. It also kind of gives you an idea of the risk potential that you have, because the smaller the company, the more risky it is. A lot of times the newer companies, we don't always know for sure if they're going to last, since a major percentage up to 90% from what I understand of the companies fail. And so our businesses fail. So we want to make sure that we get into a company that's not just going to die out on us and have bankruptcy. All right. So let's see here. There's different types of traders' opinions on this topic. I've done a lot of looking here, and some are going to tell you invest mostly in large cap. Some are going to tell you invest mostly in mid cap, which are businesses that have been going for a little while and are in the process of developing, but usually they have a product already selling on the market and stuff. And then small cap is, some will say that a lot of times people who do things like day trading or scalp trading will go into the smaller cap countries market cap stocks because of how much more volatile they are. But generally, and I'm not going to say always, but generally they're not considered as good of a company to stay invested in long term because of that volatility. Okay, so I wanted to show you how to calculate a stock's market cap, and it's really very easy. You multiply the outstanding shares times the price of the stock. For example, if I have 1 million outstanding shares, and let's say that stock is $10 a share, I just go 1 million times 10, and that's a $10 million market cap. And as we know from our review here, we know that would be a really, 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 really small company because it's way less than 3 billion. Hi. Yes, do you know about those? Do you know about market cap? Somebody's been very interested in all the wind out here. Yes, I'm trying to keep it from blowing this stock market around. Yes, look at this. This poor stock is getting moved around in the wind. So let's see here. Let's just take another quick example. If I had 2 million stock and they were $10 a share, that would be 2 million times 10, and that would be 20 million, and that would also be very, very small. If you had a billion share of stocks out, and they were, well, they wouldn't necessarily be $10 a share, but if you did, that'd be $10 billion. And then at least we're getting into the mid-cap stock range. Well, thank you very much for bearing with us through this wind. And this little guy is just about sad he's had enough, and I don't blame him at all. So all of you, if you like the content in our videos, please take those paws and don't forget to press the like button and the subscribe button. You can press the notification bell as well to get all of Neffy Cat's videos. Thank you so very much for joining us today, and have a wonderful rest of your week. Bye-bye.